Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or turn off file talk in your phone with Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then go to special features. Special features, and here go to smart sidebar and just turn on file talk. Just click over file talk and turn on file talk here, and yes, file talk is now turned on and it will be added to the sidebar. Okay, you can share content across apps and devices using file talk. Okay, if you swipe here near buttons, you will have the file talk option. Just click it and all saved items, all what you are saving in the file talk, they will be showing here. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn on or turn off file talk. If you would like to turn off file talk, and just to turn off this button so that it will not be available in this smart sidebar. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn on or turn off file talk in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.